Hello, Assalamu alaikum. Hope you all are doing great. We have arranged some useful videos to help your study on behalf of LPS. You will find all kinds of lessons according to your syllabus. You must watch those videos and keep studying. We know all are going through a critical time. So let us make this time enjoyable and useful through your lessons. Today, I have brought circuit related problems of geometry. Hope you will get know more about circle. So let's get started. At first, welcome class 5 mathematics exercise 10 geometry circle English version lecture 1 conducted by MMR. First of all, circle. So what you have to know about circle of this chapter, okay? So you will able to know how is the process to draw a circle, identify the different parts of circle, the relation between diameter and radius, and another one is that the ratio of the circumference to the diameter of a circle. So this you will have able to know these items of this chapter. Okay, first circle. So circle, the different parts of circle. You have seen that center, diameter, radius, chord and circumference and arc. These are the different parts of circle. Now circle is that center, radius, circumference, chord, diameter, arc. Okay. Then what is circle? So a circle is a closed curve, right? Closed curve such that all points on its circumference are equidistant from a fixed point. Like this circle, this is a fixed point. It is a closed curve. Okay, it is a closed curve, and the fixed point is how much? Like A, B, C, and D. So D is the center. This is the circle. Okay. Now the first point is that center. A point which maintains a fixed distance from the moving point within the circle is called center. Okay. A point A is a center. This is a circle and A is center. So a point which maintains a fixed distance from the moving point within the circle is called a center. Another one in figure A is a center. Now diameter. So diameter is the line joining of 2 points. The line joining the 2 points of circumference, like these 2 points of circumference, like A, B, and center is C. Okay, so the line joining the 2 points of circumference, this is the circumference, any 2 points that passes through the center, this is the center, passes through the center is called diameter. Okay, so in figure AB is a diameter. Another one, radius. The distance from the center, radius is that this is a circle A, B. The distance from the center to the circumference. Okay, the distance from the center to the circumference of the circle is called radius, or half of diameter is called radius, or বলতে পারি যে half of diameter. That means this is the diameter. Diameter এর অর্ধেকটা হচ্ছে radius. Okay, so half of diameter is called radius, or the distance from the center to the circumference of the circle is called radius. Okay, so in figure AB is a like AB is a radius. Okay. Next one, chord. Without being through a center, a straight line joining any 2 points on the circumference is called chord. Like this. A, B, this is the center. So without being through the center, অর্থাৎ সেন্টার দিয়ে যাবে না, সেন্টার ছাড়া, সেন্টার ব্যতীত, কেন্দ্র ব্যতীত, ওকে. সো উইদাউট বিং থ্রু দ্য সেন্টার, a straight line joining any 2 points on the circumference, any 2 points, that is A and B, any 2 points on the circumference is called chord. In figure, AB is a chord. Then circumference is that this is a circle, A, B, C, D is a center. So the length of a circle is called its circumference. Okay, the length of a circle is called its circumference, or the perimeter of a circle is called circumference. This is the perimeter. Okay, বাংলা যেটা বলে এটা পরিসীমা, অর্থাৎ the perimeter of a circle is called circumference. In figure, ABC is a circumference. Okay, next one, arc Bengali means চাপ, বৃত্তচাপ বলে, বৃত্তচাপ একটা সার্কেলের any part of a circumference, like this, any part, O center, this is the arc of circle. Any part of the circumference of a circle is called an arc, or any part of a circle is called an arc. Okay, so in figure, this marks is like this, is a arc of the circle. So this is the part of the circle that I always discuss all the definition or figure. So you have must to take practice and remainder of this defining figure. So your homework is defining figure. So everybody is thanks and all the best. See you next time.